When I was in the industry, I picked locks about half the time. Half the time I could get in without even looking at the lock.
My name is Tristan. I'm an ex-locksmith and now I work in IT. I teach people how to pick locks at hacker conventions. It's a lot of fun. I can teach people to pick a lock in 40 minutes, but to sit down and pick any lock you look at, it takes a lifetime. The more locks you get your hands on and the more you develop that fine motor skill, the easier it will be for you to sit down and pick a lock, any lock. I've always been interested in cybersecurity. I was screwing with my friends' computers with the Metasploit back in middle school, so there's that. I may or may not have had all of my neighbors' Wi-Fi passwords by 6th grade. You know, it's easy with the internet. You can find information and just follow steps. So I've always been interested in it. Security's cool. It does no good to have the world's best firewall if I can walk in and pull hard drives out of your servers. So cybersecurity is a new field, but it shares a lot with physical security. It's all about layers of security and preventing attackers from getting where they really want to be. And if you're an expert in cybersecurity, you should at least look at your hardware and make sure that it's to the same level as your software.